Okay. All right, everyone, and welcome back. If you are new, hit that bell icon button and do like. This is day 9 of trying to achieve $1 million in next 5 year, or you can say till 2020, till 2030. Okay. So, what we are going to do in today's system? First, I would like to complete this Notion template, and then we are going to use cloud code and all these things as much as possible, okay, to optimize our work. So let's get into it. Great. Yeah, so let's open this here, and let me open mm, organize coverage data. Yeah, this is what we need, and let me put this here. Yeah, so now I want to understand that how we can design our last page populate, only then start entering. Okay, this is what I have right now. I would like to send a screenshot to ChatGPT first and then understand what we need to build next. Then inside message, if anyone have any question, you can ask me that in chat. Then we will have market coverage, and then let's copy it, paste it here, and then let's make it a little okay large. Let's paste it here, and then we will have view of market coverage. Let's get to it. Yeah, this is what I have till now. Can you tell me that? Okay, we are at the point where I would stop adding random database and do final architecture check before we build the outreach machine. So you currently have countries, location, niche, market coverage, and leads. Uh, that is right foundation, but there are few things I would fix and add before we touch outreach. Countries are good. One thing to check, your status should be this. Okay, don't put things like covered here. So we will have not started, active, pause, and completed. For country, we'll only have this. So let's check the status. Not started, pause, active. Okay, okay, great. Then we have why? Because country status is not the same as the market coverage status. You might have United States active while only having covered California and Los Angeles. Okay, that's completely normal. ब्रो ChatGPT की जगह ओपन कोड यूज़ कर लो, दिख रही है for what? I think ChatGPT is good, and I have its Go plan for now. So yeah, document is brilliant. Okay, for coding, okay, we can use this. Okay, but yeah, I was just using this for building Notion template or all these things. Yeah, for code, I had never worked with the agents mainly to code any application, but yeah, interesting to have for desktop available on Moodle. Any model from any provider, including Cloud, GPT, and 7 and more. NPM, Bun, Blue. Okay, so how? What is Open Cloud? So automatically load the right LSP for you. Agent and value on the same project. Share a link to any session for a reference or to delete. GitHub to user profile account. ChatGPT profile log in with Avanya and individual ChatGPT project pro account. Read docs available as terminal interface just the open source AI. 1 plus Zen AI, okay, is good or great. I don't think there is any problem with MERN plus Zen AI. That's a great combination, by the way. Great. Currently, I'd finished CS and making projects e-commerce. Okay, that's great. Now after this, you can go with the React.js and then complete backend and all these things. Location has good architecture. So yeah, your current type plus parent location approach is better. Good. Mm, Relation niches itself. This that we eventually have healthcare, medical clinics. Okay. So what is one? You have niche category and all these things, but I would add one property, parent niche, which will okay. So what we are going to do? Let's get into this, and here we have a niche. Let's open this table, and we will add parent niche, and I will give relation here to niche. Okay, add relation. Yeah, this is how we can use this. Now after this, okay, and for beauty we can use all these things. Okay, now next market coverage. This need one important improvement. Your market coverage database is the heart of the entire system. Your current board looks good, but here is one problem. Completed isn't enough to know whether you have actually covered a market. Imagine Los Angeles dental clinics. You found 80 businesses. You market completed, but maybe there are 2,000 relevant businesses. Okay. 3 months later, you won't know, did I actually adjust Los Angeles or did I just stop researching? We need to solve that. Okay. So what we are going to do, add this property to market coverage, lead found, roll up from leads. So inside coverage, okay, we already have lots of properties here. So let's add for a while. Mm, So we will have one another property which we will call leads found, and roll up from the relation will be leads, and target will be just keep this for now, and leads found. Then we will have last researched. I love watching you do projects also. It helped me learn new things. Yeah, for sure, bro. If you will see our focus up session, that's when we practice new topics and add the topics and focus up all these things. So you can watch at that time. I have done a 2 hour stream today on focus up. So yeah, I'm managing everything, but yeah, I will try to add one another session where we will be learning new topics and building projects, because I also love that part. And yeah, I'm doing all these things doesn't mean I will stop doing all the projects and learning. We will also create another session for that. Okay. So last research. For now, I'm a little busy in all these things, but yeah, soon I'm going to add another live session. So last research, okay, and we are going to add this type date. This tells you when you last work on the market. Okay, so last completed started. This will be a type of date, and then we will have coverage confidence, and this will be type of select. Inside this we are going to add properties, and the first option will be low, medium, high. Low, medium, high, and then adjust, something like this. Adjusted. Okay, so what I'm going to do, a stage. Yeah, so these are the 4 options we will have inside coverage confidence, and after this we are going to add example lead this confidence low, and here lead this high. Adjusted. Now completed has meaning. Research method multi-select. Now we will have research method, and in this we are going to tell that what research method we have used. So now let's add some properties here, and we'll have Google Maps, and let's give it a color of brown, and then we will have Google search directory. Okay, so next Google search, and directories elf LinkedIn directories, and elf LinkedIn, and then we will have Instagram, and then we will have industry directory and other. Industry directory, and then we will have other. Okay, these are the research method. Okay, so for leads we will be seeing on everywhere. as much at least we can get in any market. That's great. Okay, now what we are going to do next, review. Complete it doesn't necessarily mean never touch it again. Instead, completed last research this next review. Okay, we should have a next review where we are going to add a date that when we are again going to review this market again. Okay, so I am going to add next review. Here we will have a date. Okay, that this will tell us when we should visit this area again for new businesses that has opened in this area and all these things. Okay, next we will have your biggest missing piece, coverage level. This is important for, you said I want to know, okay, in this area of this city and in this country. So your system should support United States, California, Los Angeles, John and dental clinics. Therefore, a market coverage record should point to the most specific location you wish. Location downtown Los Angeles needs this because downtown is your parent is Los Angeles, parent is California, and California's country is United States. So your hierarchy tells you everything. Don't create country city area as three manually entered field unless you have a specified region. Okay, so what it says that biggest missing piece is coverage level. Is that requirement? It's very good, but I would simplify it slightly. Your currently database has a lot of properties. If we get into leads, let's see what properties. Yeah, we have no, lots of properties here. That's fine, but there is something important. You have okay, redundant relations. You have niche, coverage, location, country. The important relations should be coverage because lead, coverage, and then location. So technically the lead already know its country, location, and niche through coverage. So keep the direct property for now if you like seeing them in the table, but make location and not independent. It's a little bit confusing. From this point, I will like to ask that don't think I'm Notion X. Knowledge about the template. So the reading in which page in section and what. Um, First video. Leave it alone. Property 3 country and country relation. Then, choose relation. Property 4 parent location. This is the one I really wanted to understand. Parent location, edit property, choose a relation. Which database? This data, select the current location database. Do not enable two-way relations. We only need parent location, not two separate properties. And now your data can be California parent location empty, and then Los Angeles parent location California, and then downtown Los Angeles parent location will be Los Angeles. Okay, and Santa Monica will be parent location Los Angeles. Your location hierarchy will be this. So we already have done that. Then we have property 5 status, property 6 priority, and this is our type. So let's see, look, country 1. If we see country, we have country where targeted is status. We have started on all these things. Then in location we can connect location to it. Okay, locations for this. And then we have if we get into locations, we have type. In type we have city, area, and this. Then we can connect country, parent location, status, and priority. In the status we will have not started, researching, active, paused, or covered. Okay, then we will have priority, and here, yeah, high, medium, low. And next we are going to understand that how we should design niches. So your screenshot currently have this. That's good. We are going to configure it. Niche will be title, leave it examples, all these. Okay, now category will be select example option, healthcare, and this. So what I want to check inside niches, do we have category? So let's, no, we don't have category. So example options will be healthcare, food, and tea. Okay, you can add categories later. So for now we can add all these properties. Okay, all these categories that we have right now: healthcare, and food, and beverage. Okay, then we have beauty and fitness, fitness, and then we have professional services. Then we have home services and automotive. Okay, and paste it here. Then we have automotive, and this will be automotive, and then we have hospitality. Okay, so let's add these. You can add categories later. In status we will have not started or all these things. We can see that in status we will have not started, and researching, active, researching, active. Then we have paused and completed, paused and completed. Then I would like to give it not started gray, and paused will be default, active will be orange, and research will be blue. Okay, like this. Now paused, no, researching, paused, active, yeah, this is great way to keep it. Now next we will have priority low, high, medium. Low, high, medium. What about parent needs? I am changing that recommendation for now. Earlier I said to add this, leave that text. Don't edit it. Why? Because you are building the system from scratch and it adds complexity without giving you an immediate benefit. So we can add hierarchical niches later if you actually need them. For now we will have dental clinics, cafe, restaurant and gym is perfectly fine. So dental clinic, and then we will have cafes, and then we will have restaurants, and then we will have gyms. Okay, so for now let's assume that we are going to target all these things. Okay, so these are our niches, and inside this all the parent niche we can write them later, but yeah, for now we can skip it, so I would like to keep it here for now. Then we have part for market coverage. So let's get into market coverage. And your screenshot currently has the bold completed lead collection, not started, not worth it, outreach, researching and revisit. So that's good, but now open the table view. We need to create the properties properly before using the board. First, coverage. This is your title property. Example, will have title something like this: Los Angeles Dental Clinic, downtown Los Angeles Dental Clinic, something like this. Okay, so first property 1 will be coverage. Okay, great. This will be your title property. Property 2 will be location, which will be tied, okay, relation, connect it to locations, and we are going to connect these two locations. Yeah, and then we will have an coverage on niches, call it market coverage, connect it to niches. Okay, so we have let's what we are doing. First we will have location and we'll connect it to location. Turn on the two-way relationship. Okay, and on locations, name the okay, reciprocal property market coverage. So we are going to connect this and turn way, and we will name this market coverage. And let's open the locations here. Market coverage. This is two-way relationship, okay, relation. Great. Now we have niche, and what we are going to do in it, we will connect to niches and then turn on the okay, then on niches call it market coverage. So let's add it again here and edit property, create it on, and we are going to call it market coverage. Great. So let's open another page. I will call this niches, and in this we have market coverage. Great. Now next we will have a property for country, and don't create a country relation in market coverage yet. You already have market coverage, location and country. Don't create a country relation in market coverage yet. So in market we don't have to create country relation. You already have market coverage, then location and then country. So we don't need another manually maintained country relation. Otherwise you can accidentally create coverage Los Angeles Dental, location Los Angeles, country Canada. Okay, that's exactly the kind of data corruption Okay, we are trying to avoid. So I will like to avoid this for now. So what we can do, I will like to delete property. Okay, then we have status. You already have this, keep all these thing inside status. So let's see, we have all these thing inside status or not. Yes, so I have all of it. Not started, lead collection, researching, and the outreach is completed, revisit, and not worth it. Okay, so first we will have not started, then we will have researching, then lead collection, then we will have outreach, then completed, then revisit, then not worth it. I would put them in the logical order. First we will have this, then lead collection, then outreach, then computer, then revisit. Yeah. Property 6 will be priority, and in this priority we will have high, medium, and low. Started, date, and name started. Started, okay, that's great. Completed, date completed, okay, that's great. Don't confuse this with the status. The status says what is happening, and completed date says when you finished it. Okay, next we have last research, and okay, this becomes useful later when you revisit markets. Okay, then we have last research, create date, and name will be last research, and then we have example dish, and this becomes useful later when you revisit markets. Okay, that's great, we have understood this. Now next review, this will be type of date, and next review example this property 11 coverage confidence, select this, and low, medium, access. This means low, you search Google Map for 20 businesses, you don't know how complete the market is, so low. Medium, you use several sources and found 150 businesses, medium. And high, you have done serious research across multiple sources, high. Exhausted, you genuinely believe you have covered the useful market for your criteria. Okay, for your criteria. And then we are going to put this, it depends on how much research we have done on the market. Based on that, we are going to put the value low, medium, high and exhausted. So next we will have let's come down. Property 12, research method, create multi select. We are going to create multi select. Okay, so we have property 12. After this leads, no, we haven't talked about this. Completed, then I would directly talked about, we are talking about priority and status. This, then after status, last research. Leads found, last research, coverage confidence, then we have research method, then okay, so next we will have coverage confidence. Okay, research method, leads, this is a relationship. Okay, this is a relation, connect market coverage lead, turn on the on lead, call it coverage. Okay, we have leads. Okay, leads found, relation will be this. So property 13 will be this. This will be a relation, and we are going to connect this market coverage lead, turn on the reciprocal relation on leads, call it coverage. This is extremely important. You will eventually have this. So I will like to leads found. I will like to remove this, or let's keep this. What I'm going to do, remove the client responses contacted, lead count, leads. This will be a relation, and yeah, we are talking about this lead enable, and yeah, we will call this coverage. Okay, Then we will have property folding, lead count. Now we create your first rollup. Create a property rollup, name lead count. We already have lead count. Then Notion's current rollup setup asks you to choose the relation, the property from those related pages, and the calculation. Count the related pages. Configure it like this. Relation will be leads, property will be business, calculate will be all. So what we are going to do in this lead count, property will be this, okay, relation will be leads, target property will be business, and calculate will be count all. Okay, we have already done that. Now if you have these, your market coverage will automatically see 127, no manual counting, so it will automatically count the all leads for us. Okay, so yeah, this is what we have to do in this. Next we will have leads, open leads, and your current table is already pretty good. Yeah, you have business website, email, phone, niche, coverage, location, country, latest status, and website quality, contact date, contact follow, okay, contact date, follow up, responded, deal value, and notes. Okay, inside leads we have all these things. So property, okay, keep this. Then we have this, keep this, and then we have email, keep, phone, keep, then coverage. This should be your main market relation. If it already exists, keep it. If it doesn't, add property relation, market coverage, and name coverage. Turn on the okay. So we have coverage, edit property to a relation. Is there any problem, or I have added this again? Yeah, I have already done this. So we have two options. I can delete this, delete this property. And now what we are going to do, let's get the coverage here and rename this coverage. Okay, now we will have niche. Okay, what we are going to do for this, remove the manual niche relation. If you are going to use coverage as the source of truth, you don't need lead niche coverage, because lead coverage niche is enough. So what we are going to do, remove the manual niche relation. Okay, so I will like to cut this. Then we will have location. Don't manually maintain location. What we are going to do, use a rollup, create location, and type rollup, configure relation this. Okay, so what we are going to do here, this will be a type of change type to rollup, and continue. Then the location, after changing this, we are going to select here. Okay, configure relation will be coverage, property location, so original. So here this will be country, and target property will be country, and calculate will be so original. This is what we want. No, property will be location, so we are going to change the property to location. Edit property, this will be location, and so original location. Okay, great. Now we will have country, create country, and type rollup. But there is one important detail, your coverage points to location and location points to country. Okay, so what we are going to do, create country and type rollup, and but there is one important detail, your coverage points to location and location points to country. Notion doesn't let you roll up a rollup, so don't try to create a chain of rollup. Notion extension knows that rollups can roll. For a lead database, do not bother creating a country rollup, but you don't need it. You can always say location country. Coverage location, so I can remove this here. Okay, the property type changed. What's the problem? We are going to do here country, relation will be country or coverage. Your coverage points to location and location points to country. Notice it doesn't let you roll up. So don't try to create a chair of roll up. Notion expression knows that roll up can't roll up another roll up. Therefore, for the lease database, do not bother creating a country roll up app. You don't actually need it. You can always see read, coverage, location, and country. When needed, this gives the database cleaner. Okay, so we are not going to change anything here. Lead status, keep this. Okay, we have already done that. Now we will have website quality. Excellent, good, average, poor, no website. Average, excellent, excellent, average, good, poor, good, no website. This is what we have. Poor, no website, average, good. So no website is good sign for us. Poor, this, good. We'll go this side, and average will be same of this, and I'll give red this side. Average will be, yeah, now this is what we want. Excellent, average, good, great. Now what we are going to do, property 11 will be contacted, keep contacted date, follow-up date, responded, and deal value. Number, set number, format to currency. Okay, we have currency. Contacted, currently we have nodes, deal value. Okay, we are going to change this to we don't have currency here, maybe. No, we don't have currency. Okay, we can change it here, maybe. Okay, so I am going to change this to US dollar, and so let's write here something. Okay, not like this. Okay, great. Now I would like to, okay, what we have done here. Okay, I would like to remove it. Yeah, so yeah, great. I would like to delete this for now, as we don't have something for now. Now what we are going to do, then we will have nodes, and new add one new lead property, lead source, create multi-select, Google Map, and all these things. That's enough. Add and add one more lead quality. I would use A excellent, B. I would use A excellent prospect, B good prospect, C good, C possible, D low priority. Okay. Okay. So I will like to add them. For now, they can feel a little bit extra fields, but later they are going to help us a lot. So I will like to add a lead source. Now add one new lead property, lead source, or I will like to add lead quality, and let's skip the lead source. Okay, lead quality, and select. And yeah, we can also add lead source, lead source, and this will be select. Okay, lead source and lead quality, and lead source will be multi-select, and Google search, and Yelp, LinkedIn, Instagram, LinkedIn, Instagram, and then we will have business directory, industry directory. So directory, and then we will have referral and other, something like this. No, not like this. No, referral. Yeah, this is what you have to add, referral, and then we will have other. Yeah, this is what we need. And for add on more lead quality, what I'm going to add is edit property. We will have A, B, C, D. So we have, okay, let's change the color to A will be this, and B will be this, and C will be this, and D will be gray. Okay, so yeah, now in lead we will have business website, email, phone, business website, email, phone, then coverage will be relation, and this will be roll up, then lead status will be select, then website quality, lead quality, website quality, then we will have lead quality. Let's get the lead quality after website quality, and then we will have lead source. Let's get the lead source after the lead quality, and then we will have contact date checkbox, and after this we will have contact date, follow-up date, contact date, follow-up date, then responsive date, date value, and nodes. Let's remove this one from here, and great. We don't have country here, so I would like to remove this country, and this will be connected to edit relation. No, not coverage. Let's get this back. It's a little bit confusing that if we have rollout, okay, a country location calculates original. Okay, so let's keep it for now. Then we will have now let's actually test the system. This is the most important part. Before you enter real data, create one test market, don't create 100 records. Go to countries, open United States, make sure it exists. Step 2, location, create. Okay, so we already have United States in countries. If we open countries here, you can see we have United States. Great. Now what we are going to do inside location, we will create a location California. Type will be state and province. Okay, so let's create this. Let's paste it here, and type will be state this. Country will be United States, and then parent location will be null, and then we will have status active, priority high. Status will be active, priority will be high, And now we have market coverage. Now location to Los Angeles. Now we will add another location, Los Angeles, and this will be city of United States. Country will be United States, and then we will have parent location California, and then we will have status active, and then priority high, and then location 3 downtown Los Angeles. Let's copy it, paste it here. Then we will have type of area, and country will be United States, and parent location will be Los Angeles. Then we will have active, and priority will be high. Active, priority will be high. Yeah. So parent location, what is the problem here? If I choose parent location, okay, so let's these three. When I have done this down area and I have added the country, then I have added the parent location. This is the parent location for this, and then status is active, priority will be high. We can see that we have this, but how this can be a parent location for this? Parent location Los Angeles, it's okay. There is a little error for now, or okay, great. What I will do for now, okay, so Nice, we have Nice. Okay, so this is Nice. What we are going to do inside Nice, we will create dental clinic. Nice, we will have a dental clinic, and inside this, what we are going to do, we will choose category healthcare, and then we will have status active, and priority will be high. This will be healthcare, status will be active, priority will be high, and step 4 market coverage. We will go in market coverage and create downtown Los Angeles dental clinic set. Okay, so let's get into market coverage. Open the market coverage. Okay, not leads. Let's cut this market coverage, and inside the market coverage we will have location downtown Los Angeles. Okay, inside market coverage we will have location coverage confidence downtown Los Angeles, and niche will be dental clinic not started, priority will be high. So inside this we haven't set the priority high, medium, low. So I would like to select high here. Then we will have coverage confidence, and I will keep the coverage confidence. Client's target property, relation was lead, target is leads, target lead quality, no, coverage. Let's cut the clients here. I would like to delete this, and we will have coverage confidence, and this will be low. Okay, So let's get here. Coverage confidence low. Everything else can simply. Still have create one test lead. Go to leads, create test dental clinic. Let's get into leads, and I will call this coverage will be down on website example.com. Okay, what's the problem? And what I will call this coverage, this will be now. If I get into this list and click this, we have one. I will click this, and then you can choose website. I will call the website will be example.com, and then lead status new, lead quality A, and I will call the lead status new, and website quality lead quality A, and lead source will be Google Map, and then you should see all these things leads. Now check market coverage. Open with town and this dental clinic. Now open market coverage, and you should see location and this dental clinic and leads test. Okay, if I get into leads, okay, we will name this test dental clinic. Okay, so we have to name this test dental clinic, and lead count will be 1. So if I get into this, you can see lead count will be 1. Contacted this, responded this. Yeah, this is, we can see one thing that I realized till now, that we are getting the lead count and all these things. Okay, so yeah, that's great. Now what I would like to do, if that happens, your architecture works. Now delete the test lead, then you are ready to enter real data. Your current rules piece has countries this, that's fine, but don't put every database directly on the dashboard as use tables. I would organize the page like this: rural market intelligence, countries, location, niche, market coverage, linked market coverage view, lead generation, linked lead view. The actual database remain their own pages. The dashboard only show useful filter views. For example, a market coverage section should show active markets. If I get into market coverage and active, okay, completed. No, we have active right now. If I choose here status, don't you have status here? Let's get into this. So from where we are, what filter do we have for active? If status is researching lead and all these things. Okay, if status is researching and all these things. Uh, Market coverage. If I get into leads and I set lead status not here, inside location and in niches, okay, good. If I get into home page, we can see the share. Great. Locations, you can see all these things here. Market coverage, this. Okay, great. So let's do this for now. Reject build order from now. Don't jump around, do this in order. Page 1, location, set type, set country, relation country, set parent location, and set status, set priority. Create the 3 test location, and then page 2, niches, check category, add check status, check priority, check dental clinic, create dental clinic with 3 market coverage, create location, create niche, and create test. Okay, this is what I have right now. Let's send a screenshot that so that we know everything is correct or not. Why don't we have locations here? Okay, we do have, but if I do two-way relationship on, then we will get the locations here. And yeah, great. For now, I don't want to show that. Mm, So first, fix the location problem. Your screenshot clearly shows that California current location is Los Angeles, and that's wrong. Therefore, California's current location empty. We already have 5 data. We don't need 6 data. Just to tell you what to work on. The most important part concept, one market active at a time. So I don't want you to doing this. That's terrible for consistency. Instead, pick a market sprint. For example, use California, Los Angeles dental clinic, then work that market for several days. Your brain stays in the same context with hierarchy. Your market hierarchy. Your actual work decisions should look like this: country, state, region, then city, area, niche, and then market coverage. For example, United Kingdom, downtown, dental clinic, and downtown. The last item is what you actually work on. How do you decide which market to work on? Use 5 factors: local market potential, outlet businesses and retail. For example, Los Angeles dental clinic potential use small specialized needs, potentially much smaller. Okay. Factor 2, ability to pay. You aren't just looking for businesses, you are looking for businesses that can actually afford your service. And then we have this is why your current country ranking exists. Your current United States rank 1 means the US gets more attention than, say, your 20 market. Factor 3, your ability to actually reach them. This matters a lot. Suppose market is 500 businesses but no website, no emails, hard to identify owners, difficult language, poor data availability. Market with 300 businesses but Google Map and website Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I will like to fix this in locations, that the parent location. Let's edit this. Okay, this is the problem. mm, Parent location, the country this, and how we can manage this. Change type, this will be relation, and the related database cannot be changed after creation. Okay, so first I would like to fix the country. This is the problem. Now what we are going to do, fix California, go to locations, find California. Under parent location, you currently have click it, remove your unit, then leave the property completely empty. Check the Los Angeles. So what I am going to do, I will like to add this again, but let me send this, that and then are the executive that's fine, don't see anything in location property itself is already configured. We want to keep it. Whenever outside this money to close it, go to California row, find the thing. Okay, so we are going to create this now. California, Los Angeles, and downtown. And this will be type of state, country will be United States, and then parent location will be none, status will be active, and priority will be high, market coverage. Okay, then we will have Los Angeles. Okay, and then this will be city, country will be United States, and parent will be California. Then okay, this is the problem, we don't want this, so I am going to remove this. Then we will have downtown, and then we will have area, and let's edit this directly, and I will like to say for this the parent location will be California, and for this the parent location will be Los Angeles. Okay, now I will have now I don't know what's the problem here, but or it is see what's happening. Look closely at your screenshot. The problem is that your parent location relation is present to the same location database. So when you set a similar parent location, California, nothing is also showing the reverse relation. Okay, Notion is also showing the reverse relation on California. That's why you are seeing the move. We should fix this structure properly now. I do not want you to create editing the existing relation manually because we will hiding nuisance away. So the correct structure we want this parent, Notion this parent, and this. But we also want Notion to understand the hierarchy without the parent field becoming a messy list. Open parent location property setting. Click the parent location column header related to this database. No limit, add related property. You should see something similar to what you showed me. Step 2, change limit, limit no limit. Change it to one piece. This is important. A location should have one immediate parent. For example, can we okay, so what we are going to do, limit will be one page. Yeah, this is what we want, but for this, the parent location will be this. For this, is adding property incorrectly. Related to other location, not this location has a parent. Those are parent in different concepts. We need to configure so that the relation behaves as a parent location group, making the same property act as both parent and child for add related property. In the same menu you showed me, property one meaning what location are directly underneath this location. Proper hierarchy. Before you change anything, stop here. I don't want you clicking random options because the sunset relation can be confusing and I don't want it. Mm, Parent location, edit property, and send related to limit. Add related property, related back to relations, locations, and this will be California. Now we can do this. This is related back to this. This is related back to this, and yeah, this is what we want. I think now we are going correctly. Yes, now I can see the actual structure clearly, and good news, you have fixed it correctly. Look at your latest screenshot related back to, and that's it exactly the hierarchy we want. Okay, so great. Your structure is now something like this, and yeah, that's great. And Notion is automatically maintaining the reverse relationship. California child Los Angeles, and Los Angeles parent is this and child is this. Now this parent is this. Okay, don't remove anything now, this is important part. And related back to, okay, meaning which location have me as your parent. So when we set Los Angeles parent location, this Notion automatically gives this. This is correct. One thing I want you to change, your directory isn't very useful name, so we are going to give it name of child. So locations, great. Now inside country, is there any problem? No. In niches, no, everything is correct. And in leads, no, everything is correct here too. So now if I go on home page, okay, location row to $1 million. Okay, I would like to continue now, and let's delete this coverage. Let's delete this and see in market coverage we have nothing. And location, we have these location, but I would like to delete all these locations for now. And delete. Then you have country niches, I will like to delete. Okay, just keep it, delete. Leads, let's delete this lead. Now let's go on dollar row to $1 million. Let's move this here. And yeah, now we will like to continue. Hey man, I know, what are you building on these days? Nothing, we are just working on achieving $1 million in next 5 years before 2030. Okay. Anyone, any question? Yes, so let's continue. What we are going to do now is this. Now I want to get locations. Okay. We have countries already, 30 countries we are going to target, and first country is United States. Now we will be targeting, we want locations that we should target inside United States. So first I would like to get all the locations, and yeah. United States targeting. Okay, sorry, not like this, but okay. Okay, sounds great. But do you have any roadmap or something to sell, or how you are going to achieve it? Yeah, let me explain the complete roadmap I am going to follow. Okay, I have explained it many times, but yeah. So $1 million in next 5 year. Okay, so I'm going to do, okay, first to have an agency. Okay, this is a one person agency website. For now I will be working on everything like sales and then web development. All these things I'm going to work by myself and sell my services. But later if I found I'm getting enough clients and I need I need a team, then I will be hiring other developers. Okay. I will be hiring other developers and sales or all these kinds of people to manage my agency. And you can see the agency for now. I have created it using AI agents, but yeah, this is what we have for now. Our ones, and we have our work services. Okay, you can see here the services and all these things. And yeah, first agency, second we will have product. All the products like it can be focus sub. Right now I am working on focus sub. This is a product I will, okay, I will be working on, and all the revenue I will be generating here will count toward this $1 million, and see how much I can earn in next 5 years. Second is this agency where I will be targeting US client for now. These are the 30 countries I have selected. You can see it here. I have selected the 30 countries we will be targeting. Now our goal is something like this, that first we will get one country. First we will get one country. Then inside this country we will get all of its state, all states. Then inside all states we will find their cities, and in their cities we will get all the niches we are targeting right now. For example, if I'm targeting dental clinics, so how we are going to find clients for in this niche? I will do something like let's assume that I am working on United States, and then I choose that I will like to work on California now. Okay, and then inside this we will have I choose Los Angeles city, and then inside this city we can choose any area like downtown Los Angeles. Okay, now inside this I am going to get all the dental clinics that I will have inside this area. After getting all the dental clinics, I will like to send them email or call them, because I have purchased a US number. So I can also do call and call, or email them. Second, email them, and third, Instagram DM. Okay, these are the all things that we can do, and we will be pitching them that as a event agency. Okay, it will be not like I am a single developer. It will be like we are, okay, I'm not going to say I'm working, I'm going to do this. I will say we are going to do this. I will show that we are an agency. Okay, because I think that looks more professional than going just a single person. It looks more professional that we are a team. So that's why I am going with the agency. Otherwise I can continue with the single portfolio and tell them I have this skill and I can build this for you, but that doesn't look that much professional. So what I'm going to do, I have built this agency website and I will show them that we are an agency, and we can do this for you. And now we have three things, we have multiple things to sell. First we can tell them we can improve your website. First thing is this, that we tell them that we can build a website for you, build a website for them. And if they already have website, then what we are going to do, second will be that we can improve your website if we find that their website is outdated. Third will be, if their website is okay, third will be, we will say that we will maintain your website. For maintenance they have to pay monthly. Okay, they have to pay monthly $100 or $1K. It depends on what monthly what monthly maintenance they want. If they want basic maintenance like bug fixes and all these things, then we will be charging $100. And if there is high level of maintenance where I have to manage bookings and all these things, for that we will charge higher. Okay, so this is my plan, and let's see how much time we take to close our first client, because that's what will give us confidence. Okay, so yeah, I have multiple things to do. Products, yeah, this is long term earning. Our products will generate more, okay, enough without needing to put so extra effort. Like if I will focus up once and it is working good, so I don't have to spend so much time in it. But agency is a one thing where I have to work daily and give my time. So on this agency I can't rely on that I will be working forever, because here I have to put so much effort. But that's why we are building products. This will give us long term money, and yeah, we don't have to put so much effort once we build a good product. So yeah, I will building products. For now I am working on focus up, and later if we find we should build another product, I will be building that. Okay, agency, this will be used to get clients. Okay, and the third is coaching. I don't prioritize this that much because I feel coaching is a little bit hard, because I have to give 2 hour, 3 hour, or 1 hour to a single person and then teach them. So that's a little bit hard. But yeah, for now I'm focusing on coaching, and I'm giving one class right now on one-on-one coaching. But yeah, I just want that if I get 2 to 3 coachings, I don't want more coachings for now. In one day, I can only provide 2 to 3 coachings, and I also have to work on agency and products right now. So yeah, these are the main thing of our earning, and yeah, I'm also earning from YouTube, but I will keep that side for now, because if that were my main goal, then I will be producing so much content. But I think to actually get enough clients here and to get sell my product, I have to focus on producing so much content. So yeah, these are the things that are in my mind, and I think as I work on these things, we will get it clearer that what we should work on next and all these things. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Let's cut this. Mhm. Now what we are going to do, great. The database we are building, your existing hierarchy is exactly like this: Florida, California. Then inside this web city, then we have these areas. So let's cut this. That we never create duplicate locations. And what we are going to do first, which US states should you create? These are 12 states I recommend creating first. Big step, all the best for it, and have it a very long review in this journey. Thank you so much, bro. So yeah, US state should you create? Okay, these are the 12 states I recommend creating first. Not because they are the only good states, but because they give you a strong starting map for agency outreach. California, Texas, okay, Florida lead the nation in total small businesses count, while the other states below contain several of the country's largest and economically important metro markets. Okay, Los Angeles. Inside California, we have these cities, and then inside this we have this. So second, add after first outreach cycle. Okay, the exact location to enter into Notion. Now I will tell you exactly what rules to create. California, you already have California and Los Angeles. Create these next. California, downtown Hollywood, and these are area. Then this is city. This is city, San Francisco. Okay, then this. So let's create it. Okay, California. Let's get into locations. We have to create one locations from here. I would like to give it California. Type will be state. No, this is Yeah, this is state. Okay, now the country will be United States, and for now I am going to give this active, priority will be high, and then we will have after California this paste, and this will be no, this will be state, and then United States, and then we will have status active, then priority high, and then we will have Los Angeles. This will be city inside California. So let's create this, and this will be city, and our parent will be this, and its child will be Los Angeles. Okay, then we will have do you have, should I add it or not? Let's add it. Okay, status active, priority high, and next I'm going to create another. This will be downtown Los Angeles. This will be area. Let's give it area, and country will be United States, and parent will be Los Angeles, and this will be active, and let's keep this active for now. Okay, and then we will have this paste it here. Now this will be area of, let's cut this, Los Angeles, then we will have this will be area of Los Angeles, then we will say this is active high, then we will have center, and this will be area, and this will be Los Angeles, then active, and then high. Now we will have this. I have created this? No, I haven't created this. So I will have this city, and this will be city in California, and then we will have this, and its city will be California, and I will say this is active, and high, and this will be city. Now we will have this, I already added this state, and now I want this after this. Let's add it here, and we have this state, and inside this state we have this city, and for this city we have these areas, and then we have these two cities inside our California, and yeah, great. Now we have Texas. Okay, Texas. Okay, so inside this we will have these three cities, and okay, so I will like to add this first. This will be city inside San Diego. No, not inside this. Okay, so parent will be Texas. This parent will be this. Now we will have another one which we will call this, and this will be area of this. Then we will have another, we will call uptown, and this will be area inside now we will have another city, And then we will have Austin, and this will be another city. And these are city of this, then this, then this. You can see inside this we have these cities, and inside this we have these areas inside this city. For this city we don't have areas right now. So yeah, we have added three cities. No, not we have added two state, and inside these two state we have three city in each. Okay, so now we will add Florida, and we will okay. Should we add New York and all these things, or we just keep till Florida right now? Florida, let's add it, and this will be state, and then we will have Miami as city. Miami as city of Florida, and then for this will be all of this will be United States. So what we are going to do next, we'll have Brickell. Let's add this here. This will be inside Miami. This is a area, so Miami, and then we will have another area, downtown Miami. So let's add it here, and this will be area, and in this will be an area inside Miami. So let's add this Miami here. Wait for a while, okay? So after adding this downtown Miami, we'll have Orlando. So let's add this here, and this will be city of Florida. Okay, so for Florida we have two cities, and for Miami we have two areas inside it, and now we will have Tampa, and this will be city inside Florida. And now today we are working on getting some locations we will be finding client in. Okay, so for now I'm working in US. I have adding some states inside US, and then we will be reaching out to clients in these states. Okay, so we have collected till Florida. Now we have New York, and these three, uh Georgia, then this. Important dot create every area. This is where most will mess up. Suppose Los Angeles had 150. Suppose do not add 150 neighborhoods. Only add an area where one of these happens. You are actively collecting leads here. You are creating market coverage here, and you finished another area and need the next one. Your database grows with your outreach, not before it. Okay, and your first outreach map. First US outreach map, Los Angeles first, Dallas first, Miami first, Phoenix, then Atlanta, then expand to these. Okay. Great. Now this lets you stay focused instead of jumping randomly between cities. The existence of many active dental clinics in major cities like Los Angeles, Dallas, Miami, Phoenix, okay, and Atlanta also makes these metros practical places to begin building your first lead list for a dental needs. Exactly how many roles should exist today? We should have one country, 12 state. Today your location database should have roughly this state around 50 to 60 total location is not 500. Priority inside location. Set the priority like this: high for these and medium for low for everything else until needed. This priority is for where you will work first. California, Texas, Florida. What I'm going to do for California, I'm going to add priority high, and then we will have Texas, Florida. Texas will be high, Florida, Los Angeles. Then we have Florida. Then I will keep priority high here, and then we will have Los Angeles. Los Angeles, I will keep priority high, and then we will have Rush. Okay, for this priority will be high, and then we will have Miami, priority will be high, and then we'll have Phoenix. Okay, we don't have this right now, so I am not going to write it down. Okay, I want low databases for now, and I'm not going to add other databases for now. I will just be working on them. Then we will have okay, we don't have this right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do, okay, this is high priority, but this is medium, so I will keep medium, and then this will be medium priority, and then Austin, we will keep priority medium here. Then Austin, we will keep the priority medium, and then we will have Orlando. Okay, here the priority will be medium. Then Tampa, priority will be medium. Then we will have New York City, and no, we don't have these cities for now. This okay, so what I'm going to do, all these Hollywood, and for now I will change the active and delete this from everywhere, because we are only going to set active if we are working on that area right now, not for if we are not working in that area right now. So let's cut this, and yeah, so we only have these areas right now. And now what I'm going to do, everything else until needed, this priority is now okay, this is our priority. I will keep this, let's cut this, and for this let's cut this, and let's cut this, and then you have this, and this is great. Okay, okay, now let's work on all of these. So first we will work on California, and inside the California we have Los Angeles. This is our highest priority, and then inside Los Angeles we have downtown Los Angeles, and we have Hollywood, then this. Okay, then we have city, these cities inside this. So what we are going to work first is what I recommend you to do right now, open location and create these in order. Then add their cities exactly as listed above. Do not create market coverage at for all of them. Only Los Angeles download and dental clinics should exist right now. Once the location database is finished, we'll build the decision system, and what tells you every morning which country, which state, which area, which niche should I work on today. Okay, so I would like to wait for a while. So I will like to work on California for now, and yeah, this is how we are going to move. Okay. Location you are currently working active, planned location you intend to work later, and you have finished your planned coverage, first temporarily not working on it. So California will be active, Los Angeles will be active, and downtown will be active. So these will be active for now. California will be active, and this Los Angeles will be active, downtown will be active. Okay, so Hollywood and all these things will be planned. Next five thing will be planned. Okay, we don't have planned in our property, but I would like to add it. So let's add the plan here. And then we will have active Texas and Rush. Okay, United States, let's keep it active, and this is active. Then downtown, and these will be planned. Then we will be moving to active Miami and Florida. Then these will be planned. Okay, this is what we are going to do now. Active, we are working on it now. So use high for this, medium for this. Area that aren't being worked at, leave priority blank for now. That's the last part. The last part is important. Don't assign priority to everything just because doesn't allow you to. Correct. For example, California. And this is where I want to change our approach slide. Don't immediately say creating our databases. And this is build is market coverage because the actual bridge between and what we are looking for here. Download and WMS is touch restaurant. So our next step, do not add more location, go to market coverage database and send me your current properties and columns. So market coverage. Okay, now we are going to work here on market coverage. Here, this is looking at your screenshot, you already have the right generated idea, but there are too many properties that we don't need, and some should be calculated automatically later. The purpose of this database is very simple. One row, one specific combination of location plus needs that you are covering. For example, downtown, Los Angeles dental clinics means I am working through dental clinics in downtown Los Angeles. Later you can have downtown Los Angeles restaurant, Los Angeles gyms and Dallas then dental clinics. This is what will prevent you from accidentally working the same market twice. Okay, so let's get here. Step 1 will be keep coverage. Yeah, this will contain names like dental clinics and dental clinics or restaurants. You will manually create the name when creating coverage record. Don't make it a formula. Keep location, and with the relation icon, keep it type relation location. This is extremely important. When you create downtown Los Angeles, you select location, not California, not. So we are going to do here for location. This will be type of location, two-way. Okay, then we will have niche. Keep niche. You have niche with the relation icon, keep it type relation. So yeah, then we'll have status, keep status, change it to select property and use this. So the status will be select property and edit property. Yeah, we have all these properties. Checking the market before collecting leads. Lead collection, you are actively finding businesses. You have collected enough leads and are contacting them. Lead collection. Okay, then you have completed, you have finished the planned coverage. Pause, you are completely temporarily stopping. Then not worth it. You research it and decided the market isn't worth your time. Then revisit. You want to come back later. Okay, great. Keep started. This should be roll up. Late count. Okay, this is the late count. So this should business count all. Okay, great. And Notion automatically shows lead count. Then you have contacted, roll of lead contacted percent check, leads contacted percent checked. Then we will have responses. You have responses, keep the concept, but later make it roll up from leads. It should tell you something responses and then manually type it. Checked. Yeah, we already have done that. Notes type. This is market specific information. Most dental clinic in this area already have modern website. Focus on the clinic with poor mobile UX or good market. Many businesses have no booking seat here. This is useful because months later you won't have to remember what you discovered. Delete leads font. You currently have leads font. I would delete this property. Why? Because you have leads relation and lead count roll up. So are basically trying to answer the same question. So we are going to delete real leads font, delete this, and we will have last research notes. Last research, coverage confidence, research method, and next review. Okay, we are going to keep these all. Okay. Now one very important thing. For example, you have this and this is this. The theoretically creates 48 markets. Do not create all 48. Instead, we create a market coverage row when you decide to actually work that market. For example, your first market might be dental clinic, then coverage downtown dental clinics, location, niche, status, and priority high. And you start collecting leads. When you are finished, it is status completed date. Then later, if you switch niche, then you create a new market coverage record. Now your data permanently remembers. Data is permanently remembers completed. Restaurant not started. And that's exactly the tracking system you wanted. So do this now in your current marketing. Keep these all fields and delete leads found. Then we will configure the relation and roll up correctly, especially lead found, contacted, and on higher list. The relation and develops are configured correctly. Step 2, lead database. The relationship will be, this is where the actual businesses you discover will lie. For example, country, location, market coverage, leads. For example, United States, California, Los Angeles, clinic, downtown, ABC Dental. The critical principle: never create separate lead database for different needs, cities or countries. Never create separate lead database for different needs, cities or countries. One lead database, everything is connected through relations. Okay. One leads database, everything is connected through relation. Open your leads database from your previous screenshot. You currently have this. That's good in starting point. Second, businesses, keep priority title. Example, this is the actual business name. Website, email, don't use text for websites. Niche relation should be, now I would like to do in businesses in leads. Okay, so I don't have to create another leads. Okay, this is the leads. So how we are going to work on all of these things is like, first we are going to work on this, then we will get some locations. After getting location, we are going to work on market coverage, then we will have leads, and then niche. Okay, so yeah, you already have this type relation niche, and this means you don't manually type dental clinic every time. You select the existing dental clinic. So let's create the niches here. So yeah, I will connect the niche. In leads, we will have, do we have niche? No, not in leads, we don't have niche. Country, location, coverage, website, email, business. Okay, so it is saying that we should have this niche. You already have this. We have this inside market coverage, maybe. Yeah, this means you don't manually type dental clinic every time. You select the existing dental clinic. Don't use text for website, email, phone. So I have to create this inside leads. And this will be a relation, and type will be niche. Niche, no limit, add relation. Every time you select existing dental niche database coverage, give this market coverage. And when you create ABC dental, you should be able to select downtown dental clinic. Now Notion knows clearly where that lead comes from. Okay, then we don't need this. Then we will have, okay, so now I understand how we are going to work on this. It was a little bit confusing first, but as we are working on it, it's getting clear that what each thing means here and how they will help us. Then you have location. This gives you direct access to the locations, so the lead can have location this and niche will be dental clinic. Okay, but it says that we should have niche inside location, no, inside leads, but I don't like this because if the market coverage tell us that what we are working on right now, so I don't think we should write here that what niche we are working on. Okay, we should write it. That will be a little bit better just to avoid confusion. So I'll give this niche. I'll call relation here, and this will be niche and add relation, and yeah, this will be niche. Okay. Now what we are going to do? Country on every lead. Eventually, you can drive this information from the location structure. This okay, we can remove country from this. So delete this. Now the location will cause problem if we delete country from here. Okay. So let's see what we are doing here. Relation will be country. Target property will be locations. And what we should do is I will like to cut this, and this will be type of location. Change its type to relation, and it's will be relation, add relation, and yeah, type relation related to location, and yeah, this is what I want to do. Now let's see what we have in location. Relation will be location. Yeah, this is what we want. Okay, now what we are going to do, country and lead status, and website quality, keep this lead quality, and lead source. Then we will have contacted date, follow up date. When should I follow up? Example, this will become extremely useful once you are doing dozens of leads. Don't use the checkbox here. Okay, response, inside response. It says that we shouldn't use responses, but we are this is connected to market coverage, so we shouldn't write it. Deal value, currency will be USD, and example 500, 1K, 2K, or 3K. Add one new property, contacted method, and this will be lead source, means where did I hand this business, how did I contact them, that's like email, Instagram. Okay, so we can also add contacted method, but I would like to skip. But we are not finished with leads. Create on all leads, new leads, ready for outreach. Filter lead quality A or B, and lead status qualified. This becomes outreach query, and view 4 will be follow-ups. This is getting a little bit confusing, but I think it is worth it. Okay, so I will like to create these views. Okay, active, completed by country rule, and if we go inside leads, we have one table leads only, and what we can create is this is all leads. Okay, we don't have to add any filter. Then we have new leads here, so I will create duplicate view and I will name this new leads, and here we are going to filter by lead source, new lead status, and new. Okay, all the new leads will come inside this. Now I will like to change its title, rename this to all leads, and then we will have another lead, and we will call this ready for outreach. Ready for outreach, and we will apply filter will be advanced filter, and we will say lead quality equal to A or B. Lead quality is A, B. Okay, lead quality is A or B, and add filter rule, and we shouldn't say and, we will say or lead status qualified. I will say this will be lead status and is qualified. Okay, this is what we want. This, then we'll have follow-ups. Follow-up date is today or follow-up date is before today. Then we will have another display, no display duplicate, and I will call this follow-ups. Follow-up date is today or follow-up date is before today. Filter, and follow-up date is relative to today, this week. Add to advanced filter. Follow-up date, start date is relative to today, this week, or add filter, or follow-up date is before today is before today. Okay, this is what we need to add in follow-up. Then pipelines, use bold view grouped by lead status. Pipeline, view 6 will be pipeline, and duplicate view, I will call this pipelines, and in this pipelines board view, we will call this board view, and then property visibility will be rule status should be this. No, what I will like to do here is this. Group by lead quality, not by lead quality. I would like to group it by group by lead status. Okay, so lead status, yeah. So group by lead status. Okay, yeah, this is what we want. Okay, once lead is configured, send me the screenshot of your lead database. But I think we are wasting time on all these things. Now I think this is enough. We should start to get outreach. We should start getting some leads and all these things. Okay. I think focus on. Usually, so building the nosing system, database is sufficient. If we keep adding property can be or can be sign instead of getting clients from your screenshot your lead database. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we will focus on leads now. So from your screenshot, your lead database is already set up with the important views and your correlations are there. Our next goal, build your first real lead list. Start with one market. Do not start collecting leads from California, Texas, Florida, Tennessee at the same time. That will create a huge mess. Start with downtown Los Angeles dental clinic. You already have this market in your system. To use it as the first test, set its market coverage status, lead collection priority high. So let's get this in market coverage. Let's set this, and location will be downtown Los Angeles. Niche will be dental clinic. Status will be lead collection. Priority will be high. And started today. And yeah, lead count, all these things are zero for now. Yeah, so this is our market coverage for now. Yeah, locations should be, niche should be dental clinic, and lead status. Okay, so now let's work on this. For every business you find you want at maximum business, website, email, phone, coverage, location, this, then lead status will be new. This will be new here, and website quality, lead quality, and lead source. Okay. So for now, I'm only going to get the lead from maps. So let's get here. Okay. Now we will work on leads and all these things. Google Maps, maps. We want downtown Los Angeles. So we'll call this dental clinic in. Okay, so these are the leads. We are going to see all the leads here first, and then we will only write the list that that feels like, yeah, we should contact them. And yeah, okay, so yeah, it will take lots of time to get select leads here and all these things. So what I am going to do, I will like to use what I will like to do, I will like to use instant data scraping. So okay, so what we are going to do here is let's get this, and okay, okay, so let's see it describe the all the data or not. Let's so we have the data. I would like to download this, and let's use this in Excel. I would like to upload a file, and the file we were downloaded right now, just now. Let's include this. How much leads we get from this page? 120. But there is a problem with this. I don't know how it works, but sometimes it doesn't give websites and all these things. I would like to delete this. If I open this, this work will work because open in read only edit. Yeah, can work. Okay. So now see that if I click this link, I will be able to open this here. This is the problem. Now I would like to delete this column M. Then we have this. I would also like to delete this column, and then we have this. Let's see what we have inside this. I mainly don't find this helpful, so I was thinking to create my own extension, but that will take long time, and we have to use something that we shouldn't. But yeah, to get data that we want, I would do that, but right now I don't have enough time, so I will not be able to create my custom extension to fetch all the details. I think this is a good product if someone creates it, but as Google have some restriction on scraping extension now, I think we can't publish it, but we can use that for ourselves. Okay, if you want to fetch data from Google, so you can create a custom extension and add as much features as you want. And I don't think there is that much problem with that if you are not publishing that publicly and you are not showing that live that how to create this, because showing that live how you have created the extension that goes beyond the restriction and then fetch the data will create a problem. Okay, so yeah, you can create it, but right now I don't have time. I wanted to create it, but I don't have time. So we are going to go, we will select all the things manually. So delete column, and then I will like to delete it. Right now most of them are open. mm, Nothing here feels like important, so I will like to cut this and select each data by ourselves. Okay, so I'm going to close this and let's search it again. Control X, cut, and let's search it again. Yeah, now I will like to see every we have this. Let's analyze their website and all the things, and then we can see that we have any opportunity to contact them or not. So before and after, yeah, before and after. This is great, but there is a little problem. You can see it's height is a problem here. There is a little UI issue, but I don't think that this matters that much. And but yeah, we can write it that what is the problem, that it is okay. When we click this, the error is getting fixed. Okay, you can see, but yeah, there is a little problem. You can see it, but I don't think they will accept this just for this small error. So let's see if we find another thing that we should. Let's see. It's just a small error. And okay, maybe this website was created in 2025, and after that, no one updated it, and no one is maintaining this website, because you can see that copyright 2025, and this should update every year. Okay, so yeah, we can see that this was created in 2025, and no one is working on this right now. So yeah, about us, book appointment. Let's see if we can book or not. We have name, this email, phone, then okay, service, then have message, then captcha, and then submit. Stay connected. Great. Schedule an appointment, new patient forms. Then we'll get redirected on this, but there is a problem that can't access item. The organization that owns this item won't allow you to access it. Switch to account with access. Okay, so this is a little problem. Okay, you can see here. There are lots of things that is like general. Okay, jobs. What is the problem when I'm clicking career space? Applications.com. Okay, applicantpro.com. We are not able to see this. And next we have testimonials, client testimonials, and okay, client, client. Okay, this is great, but we are not showing stars and all these things. Okay, I can see good, but then we have our blog context as FAQs and cosmetic, then this is emergency, cosmetic, general density, and then we have this our reviews. Okay, great. Okay, this is great. Let's get this for now. And what I'm going to do next is book online. Okay. Then we have downtown dental in Los Angeles. Okay, let's open this. Then we have about us, services, and success story. 17 days ago, 14 days ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, their service and art with experience. 17 hours ago, so it means they had 3 reviews from Google, from Facebook, a professional team that really truly cares about their business, and then L. Great. Finance contact us, and then we have this project need help by interacting with the chatbot here. Okay, so let's get this. Okay. Now let's come here, see schedule appointment. We can select date and time, morning lunch, let's name, contact, email, comments. Great. I don't think there is any problem. Yeah, we can improve the UI, but not. Now let's open this. We can see here TTLA Smile don't have website. Okay, so let's research about the melody. Instagram, they don't have a website. When last time they posted this? 2023. Okay, so let's get back. We have Facebook, 114 followers. About okay, so what I will do, okay, they have a website, but this is not connected to their Google Maps. And book an appointment. Our address this. Mm, yeah. So about the services 2025. It's book an appointment, get direction, contact. And let's add this one. Okay, I think this is a good link to add. So website, I would like to say this is their website. So let's add it here, paste it, and email. Let's get this. For email, I would like to add their email. Like, do we have it here? No, we have a form, so I would like to copy the form and let's paste this here. Then we have coverage. This will be dental clinic, downtown dental clinic. Lead will be new, and website quality poor. Lead quality Pay. Pay. Source Google Maps. Yeah. Now we have this. We have a website for it. We can see. Maybe I don't find here any problem. I was checking this website yesterday. Just we can see that there is a UI problem and all these things, a special offer, and let's also add this. Okay, and I would like to add this. Let's call this website here, and let's get it into Smooth. And email. Do we have email? Let's copy the phone number, paste it here, and then we are going to write there. Request your appointment now. Let's cut this. I don't need this. And let's add this here. This will be dental clinic, new, and with average, and B, or I will call C this, Google Maps. Now let's cut this, or if I open services about new patients, meet or dentist or practices, and great. Here I can see financing special offer, contact us. This is great, but there is a little UI problem. I would like to fix all of that. And then we have this. Let's cut this. Let's also cut this. And contacted for office on day value. I will say no bad UI. Okay. And for them, bad website comes no contact form and about page. No contact form about page. Lots of things are missing. And yeah, this is what we want. And I will like to expand the coverage like this. Okay, this is what I want. Great. Now next we will have this. We have website. Great. Let's accessing this. Okay, this is great. Mm, Book your appointment, meet our team. Great. About services, if I click teeth whitening. Okay, full mouth. I don't know who creates these websites, but it's just like there are lots of issues, and we can't even target them because if we see the basic UI is good, and they may think that website is not a good thing. They can think that website doesn't generate any revenue, so we have to learn sales and we have to understand that how we can convince them that yeah, your website is bad and you can get customers from your websites due to having bad UX and all these things. You can't convert customers. Okay, so how we are going to, because if we see this is taking too much time to load a single page, we have to update this. Dental implant, you can see the loading is taking too much time. And yeah, on services, if I try to see all the, okay, I can't see all services here. This is a problem too. If I go in reviews, we are not able to open review page. Okay, now if I click reviews, this is the problem. We don't have separate reviews page. What we are doing, the reviews are in same page, and if I am in another page and I click reviews, I can't access the reviews. So this is the problem. Now we don't have contact also, so let's copy this, let's copy this, paste the email here, and then copy this. What I'm going to do, I will like to is there any problem? Okay, I copy it and paste this here. Then we will have the website, and then we will have this. Let's get this, and great. Now dental clinic, what I will write about them. Okay, too slow. Okay, website loading too slow, and bad UI, poor sub menu. We'll call this UX, not UI. Yeah, this is what we want. Let's give it a while. Now we will have this. Let's see, Google Maps again. We can say this will be B type. and also keep this b type. Website quality average new, and dental clinic again here in downtown, and we'll have this website quality. I cannot put this, so what I'm going to do, we will delete this. We don't have these are leads we have inside this. Okay, we have total 3 leads inside this, and we have contacted none till now. Okay, so yes, great. Next we have this at a dental clinic. So let's see what do we have for them. Book an appointment, book an appointment, book a virtual consultation, and book a virtual book now. Great. Okay, they have book contact. Okay, I got redirected on contact page and contact form. In services, I have dental implants. Okay, loading is fast, no problem. So, okay, consultation, great. So, gallery, okay, they already have a good page, so we should skip this. About new patients, okay, about podcast, okay, they already have a good page, so I think we should get here. Maybe we already have seen DDLA dental and implant, and same here we don't have website for them. Let's search for this, and okay, 1300 alternative. Okay, so I think we should call them, and let's add it here, and write their number, and let's see, and the historical base, then any email, no. So what I'm going to do, this will be dental clinic, and this will be now new lead, no website, lead quality A, Google Maps. So this is Google Maps too. Google search cut. Open, closes 5 p.m. Okay, closed, and Monday, Wednesday. What's time here right now? Time in Los Angeles right now. Okay, just cut this. Okay, this is warning. So calling right now will be beneficial. Hmm, should I call right now? Again, but I will like to. Okay, I need a broader. 700 interview, rather than relying only on the Google listing or on the appear to be real and active dental practice. The information matches across multiple sources, business firm, owner of the group. NPI, the practice has been active since 2024. The current business listing also showing 0.9 out of 5 with 62 reviews, and today's sale is open according to the business data. Do they have a website? I couldn't find a dedicated official website for them. And I searched for the exact business name, their address, their phone number, different combination of this, and their web presence as social profile. What comes up is primarily Google Hello Pages and Super Pages, Dental Directive, Insurance Directive, and newer directory listing. For example, Hello Pages has a visit website button, but the link site is actually Delta Dental's Dentist Directory, not DTLA Dental's own website. Okay, so I would classify them as no obvious dedicated website, a weak web presence. That's very strong prospect for your agency, assuming you are pitching website plus lead generation. So there are several positive signs. Google reputation review this, location this, and service France. Okay, font clearly published. No obvious dedicated site font. Active Corporation NPI, new patient listed as accepting open in provider directory, online business mostly direct. Okay. Their third party profile describe them as producing here along with because in terms of high ticket dental service. Today's site is just about looking professional. It can be built around generating consultation requests. Should you call them right now? No, not right now. It's approximately 11:45 a.m. in India, which currently not. Their listed business hours are 8 to 5 p.m. Okay, it's not AM, it's PM by the way. Yeah. So, so do not call tonight. You will most certainly be calling outside your business hours. Better approach because you are in India. There is our target roughly Los Angeles time, and that's PM IST. So your evening is actually a good time for your outreach, and tomorrow is Wednesday, and there with MSQ. So I would not make Wednesday your primary calling day. I would target Thursday. Okay. You can call. The number is not just on Google listing. It is independent associated with practice across services, including provider records. So. It's a legitimate business number to try. One important thing though, don't open with "Hi, I'm a developer. I want to sell your website." I noticed strong Google presence and lots of great reviews, but I couldn't find a dedicated website for DTI, a dental. Okay, DTL and DTLA, dental and implants. Okay, I think we should call right now, but yeah, let me put it on this sleeve. Okay, wait for a while and then we will continue this again. Okay. All right. So what we are going to do now, I think I should create a WhatsApp business account on my US number because doing outreach without having a WhatsApp or something where they can message me is not a good approach. If I have to send them some examples or something that they want, for that I should have a WhatsApp account on the same number I am going to call them. So I would like to create my WhatsApp first. So I have to do a little research that how I can create a WhatsApp on my purchase US number. So let me open chatgpt.com and here I do have a okay. So I have a US number. Let me check from where I have purchased this so that I can tell ChatGPT that what I need. Okay, tell next. Plus this is my number. Okay, until then, if someone have any question, you can ask me. Mm, yeah, platform status. Here I have a. Okay, let me check my manage account setting. Billing. Account setting. profile security was grants. I have number here, but where I can see that. Mm, let's hear it. I don't think there is. No. Let me. Okay. I don't know. Dashboard programmable WhatsApp messaging. Yeah. Add number. This feature is not permitted at this account level. Refer as upgrade. What's the problem, by the way? Do I have to upgrade to get the WhatsApp feature? Oh, this page doesn't exist. Okay, I mean upgrade. Now, verified email. Criteria to met. Okay. What they say that if I have verified email, ask fraud review, LinkedIn a GitHub verification area agent review, and verified mobile number, made a payment with debit card, enabled to Apple for the account, provide service status, successfully passed KYC, successfully passed the agent review, and then we are currently experiencing issue. We are investigating the issue at the moment. Updates to follow. To follow. Subscribe to update. We have business account. Today not permitted. Numbers. I have this number, but how I can use this? Then for WhatsApp, if I go here and create a WhatsApp business account, let me check can I do this or not. So I want to install WhatsApp business, and I would like to create an account and see that can I create it or not. Open. Agree and continue. Now I would like to add this number. Allow us a message to send notification. Yeah. Great. Now let's come here. Allow. And the phone number will be in the different number. This should be 1. And now the number will be 213 and 329. After this 0061, next. Okay, I have received a code. Now let me check that. Login not available right now. For security reason, we can't log in right now. So I can later take this. Mm, Bro, what cloud engineer is good career option in next year? Yeah, great. I don't think there is any career option that is not good if you are skilled in it. Okay. So what's up messaging? And we have all these things. Hello, bro. And made Navi. So what I would like to do, let me copy this and paste it on ChatGPT. I would like to collect some information that what I can do with this number, and I have actually purchased this number, or is there anything that I have to do still that I still have to do? Okay, let's give it some screenshot. Let's get this. What is this? Message profile. Only have no messaging profile. State your first messaging profile. Let's take a screenshot of this. And what your skill or education, brother? By the way, I'm a MERN stack developer, and right now I'm working on getting clients in my skills using MERN stack. Okay, and by the way, my education is I'm 12th pass. Okay, I just passed 12 this year, and I have no plan to do college and all these things. So what I'm going to do next, I have weight limits. Not free 6 messages per minute per number. Short code. I have done my VTech CSC 2024. My brother is still jobless. Huh? What to do? I have done. Don't. Okay. I'm reading it. Okay. Let's wait for a while. Let me. Okay. Is there any problem? Still jobless. Okay. What to do? I have learned to job market is stuck. I saw reels with people doing cold calls making 5K USD per month, but I don't know anything. Please guide brother how to do, how much money it requires for cold calling. By the way, I just started it, so I don't have much experience about it, that how much you can earn and all these things. But I don't think job market is that messed up right now. Okay, you can get job easily, but yeah, you have to build in publics, and you have to do all these things. Like if you will come here on YouTube, you will find many developers doing daily live session, live stream on anything. Like you can choose, you can build projects live, or you can say that I'm learning day one of learning full stack, day two of learning full stack. You will get audience, you will start earning from YouTube, and also people will start recognizing you. Then you can also show that as a candidate to any company that you have skilled enough, and you can also build that your GitHub. Or I think this is the best way to build your skill. And yeah, if you want to do cold calling and all these things, then you can do research about this. I'm doing these things nowadays. You can see my day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6 till day 9. I was doing all these things, that how you can do cold outreach and all these things. Okay, so you can see here. maybe something like this. Yeah, you can see that yeah, daily live stream on that while coding an app until I make this. And if you see, there are multiple channels that stream daily, like subscription. Okay, with this feature is not enabled for me right now, but you can stream daily on these topics. Okay? This way you will be skilled, and also you will learn lots of things during the streaming and all this thing, and you will get audience, and you can show that you have skill. Okay, it's good idea, brother. But no, you are wrong. What I think that there are okay, some people will judge you and some people will appreciate you. Okay, that's not a big deal. Just go as you are, and yeah, show them, yeah, I'm not skilled enough, but I know that I will be after 3 months, after 4 months. For now, what I can do, learn daily, practice daily. This is what is in my hand. And if you see my old stream, then you will realize that people appreciate you, they don't judge you. Okay, I don't think. It's your mindset. It depends on how you think. Yeah, there will be one or two people that will judge you because of jealousy or something else. But I will say, don't get depressed because of all this shit online. They are throwing this shit in comments because they are doing nothing by themselves. Someone who is actually growing in their life will never make fun of someone who haven't who isn't that much skilled right now, because at every point in their life, everyone is at any point in their life, everyone is unskilled, and they are not that much good at anything. They just grow with time. Okay, so yes, you will successfully purchase the which phone number, and your current number is, yes, not configured. Message profile not configured. It's required. Blocked at your current account level. What's available can be configured. Estimate required additional setup upgrade. Where WhatsApp is actually said this feature is not permitted at this account level, so the number itself is fine. Don't that account level, not the number. This current documentation says premium for your account. So, their current upgrade flow is through profile account level upgrade with identity verification through LinkedIn or GitHub. What I would do next, you are trying to build something like a dental clinic, WhatsApp version, your application to your customers. For example, WhatsApp message this. This episode the let's set up. Click update and okay. So thank you so much, bro. I'm working on this right now. Yeah, I'm not that much great, but yeah, working on this. So what I'm going to do here, upgrade. Let's click here, upgrade. I will upgrade my account level, connect with GitHub, and organization and read on the access. Okay. Account verification successfully. Great. Now what I would like to do is profile, this contact phone number and promo code solution or account level address. Okay, account level. Drive. Email is verified. Initial account verification checkbox. Email a new number has been provided. No. Okay. So this is great. What I'm going to do, this, not this, integration profile, the message sheet. You have WhatsApp messaging, business account, phone message. I have to set up this. Okay. Send and receive SMS on alphanumeric IDs, long code, toll free, and short code numbers. The default account limit is 10 messages per second. Create your first profile, read about messaging profiles. So what I'm going to do, let's see. Let's create a message profile. You currently have no messaging profile setup. This need to be fixed. Go to messaging framework, message menu, then click create your profile, and then you could name it something simple or dental creative. I will use dental creative. No, I am going to use Orvent. Okay. Maybe it forgets that how I'm going to use this. Thanks for your advice, brother. YouTube very good. Should I upload on Instagram day one? Mm, I have seen last question you have by US one. By the way, this was free. When I purchased this, it gives some credits or coins. Okay, we can use them. Yeah, it gives some promotion AI credits. We can use them at first, but after that you have to pay $1 per month for your number. But there is some extra fees for 1 minute calling if you call any US client, and it charges some fees. Okay, I don't know what is that, but yeah. And if you message any client, it also charges for that. Okay, so the cost depends on how much you use the number. And I think that YouTube is a long term journey, and you can't rely on that YouTube will pay you that much. But yeah, it is just good for if you want to build your skills and all these things. And also, you will earn enough if you go with good approach. But if your approach isn't making money from YouTube, then I don't think, if you just decide to earn from YouTube ads and all these things, then I don't think that you will earn that much. But if you have a plan, like you are going to do something side business, like first get some audience and then create your products, launch that, and then your audience can purchase that product. uh, this way you will earn a lot. Okay, it depends on what's your plan and how you are going to use YouTube. It's just depend on that how you are going to use YouTube. Okay, so what we are going to do, I will create first profile, but configure the messaging profile. I think the important part of our application is the word for credential. Eventually, we will have something like okay. We can create our own dashboard for messaging, but I don't think that's that much good approach. Okay, so I think for today it's great. Okay, and I will like to end this stream today. By the way, I wanted to stream 4 to 5 hours, but yeah, I will like to see that how we can set up this, and then we are going to create tomorrow this leads. We will get 30 to 50 leads, and then we will outreach. Okay, then we will call them and email them, and then we will get another 50 leads, and this is how we are going to message them. Because I'm going to set up the phone number, my US number first, because this is the important part now, so that I can contact clients directly via my phone. And yeah, it will be a little hard, but we'll practice that live and see how we are going to do our first cold calling and all these things. And let's get our first client. Take care everyone, and bye bye everyone.